My name is Arup Sengupta. Good afternoon. I'm currently in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, in Lehigh University campus, where I've been a professor of environmental engineering for over 30 years. I co-founded Arup Sengupta Foundation and then also two other social enterprises which followed that.
What was the biggest benefit to winning the RELX Environmental Challenge Award?
The biggest benefit of winning that RELX Challenge Award was it gave us the foundation. We installed 3 plants in remote villages of Cambodia, and some of them ran for over 3 years before government took over. So that was our launching ground. So that helped us build the confidence.
How did your project advance and what is the status today?
The project has advanced, quite a lot, because now we are very much involved in water-related issues in Bangladesh, India, and few other countries beyond Indian subcontinent. And there are probably hundreds of such plants, and about 50 people are employed through this endeavor.
What are you most proud of?
The thing I am most proud of is that through this technology, we are not just providing safe drinking water to resource-poor people. We have been able to create employment opportunities. We have created economic growth, which has been self-sustained. So this is something which has been continuing now for several years. So that is the one thing I'm most proud of.
If you could give yourself one piece of advice when you started, what would it be?
The piece of advice I'll give myself and also to others who want to brave into this field is come with a huge dose of humility, modesty, that we are not all-knowing people. We shouldn't really suffer from the disease of any kind of insolence, and we should be prepared to learn from other people, including villagers, because they are going to be the ultimate custodians of the plant. So quite naturally, we have to work with these people who are not seemingly that educated.
What do you foresee being your greatest challenge in your efforts to contribute to the achievements of SDG 6?
The greatest challenge toward contributing to SDG 6, I would say, would be to bring in people with the right set of minds, intelligent people who really want to make a difference for the sake of humanity, because unless we solve this water and sanitation problem, there will be a huge amount of disparity, which I believe at the end is the primary source of all the troubles we see around the world.
How much progress do you think has been made so far in terms of achieving clean water and sanitation for all?
About the progress we have made by ourselves and by other people. For ourselves, obviously, we have been very fortunate to receive fundings, recognition from United States State Department, which gave us Global Innovation Initiative Grant. We got funding from Government of India's Department of Science and Technology. We have been recognized by many other organizations. At the same time, the people around the world have progressed, but to me, it is still too small, too late, and quite a lot to be accomplished as yet.
What is your focus for the next decade? What is your ambition?
Our aspiration or ambition for the next 10 years would be to move into all other areas which are related to water, and not only just fluoride and arsenic. It may involve desalination, it may involve taking flood water and then transforming that into drinking water, so that people everywhere can have access to safe drinking water. Not only that, creating a technology that's so robust that everybody around the world can use it and can transform that into economic opportunities. Kindness, compassion are good virtues, but they don't solve problems. Science and technology with the right set of minds do.
In your opinion, what single thing might change the game in terms of achieving clean water and sanitation for all?
I would say the answer is very simple. I'd like to see smart people, intelligent people, educated young people to come into this field, not just to kind of help others, to help themselves, because through this alone we can create a better world which really serve the humanity in a more appropriate way.